Assalamualaikum dear learners. Today we will check how we can export any vector to our Android Studio. As you can see, I have created this design and I want to only export this vector. Right click on it and select copy paste as you copy as SVG. You can copy it as a CSS and PNG. It depends on your priorities and your problem requirements, but I will copy it as SVG. Now open your Android Studio project. Click on drawables and create a new drawable resource file. From selector, we will select our root element as vector. Okay. You can name this file. I will name it as checkbox. You will name it as according to yourself. Click on OK. Now your driver resource file is created. Paste your copied SVG code. Put it under the vector tag. Now you have to make some changes here. First, remove this SVG tag from there. Okay. In the path tag, remove the D and write Android path data. And put this path in Android path data and the color of it under Android fill color. Okay. But still our SVG is not showing here because we don't give it any width and height and don't assign any viewport. So we will set its width, let's say I will set it to 20 dp and height 20 dp, and I will give it viewport width and height also 20. You can set it according to your requirements. Now you can see my SVG is showing here. Now you can use it in your activity, like I have created an image, view tag and set its resource to checkbox. Okay. It shows some error. Okay, as I have selected this, I have constraint layout, so I have to set constraint. Okay, you can set its constraint from going to attribute and you can set them from there. Okay, but the main point is that our SVG is exported successfully. Thank you for watching my video.